uthola ikhaya li-cast la ikhaya akekho umuntu oyi-graduate sonke siphelela kubo 100 rand asiyi kubo 1000 rand ku-100% we are talking of 80% baliphuzele mahala and there's money involved. Uyogijima ijariti lakagobela lokunuka loku ukhwazi hayi Emakhosini, Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi, Kganya, umme Onika, umama Onika okhulumayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can join my channel membership where you can get exclusive videos and also personal questions. Yabona ngizokwazi ukuthi ngukutreat ngenye indlela ngithanda nonke anginama favorites kodwa ke please join. All right, namhlanje ngizokhuluma nga 4 masters as African you can't run away from them. Spiritual 4 masters that you can't run away from them. Sinedlozi, sinethonga, sinengelosi, sinonkulunkulu wabokhokho mkhulu. Uma sizocala ngendaba ngizocala ngayo edlozi kuyiyona ehluphayo. Because iningi labantu kuthiwa uhlushwa idlozi. Kuyaye kube khona umuntu ongeke nje azaye nasephehlweni noma umuntu ongafanele aliphuza aliphalaze kodwa umthole lo muntu loyo ukuthi manje uhlushwa idlozi. Let's identify ledlozi. Ledlozi liyini? Ledlozi umuntu bekaphila njengami nawe la emhlabeni kwathola ukuthi manje kukhona amacala angazange awalungise noma kukhona ukuthi manje uhambiswe ngendlela bathini ngendlela zobuthakathi noma umuntu wabulalwa like abantu esingathi babulawa imob umuntu wakhona bekaganga arape idlozi makuthiwa uhlushwa idlozi kusho ukuthi kukhona okufanele ukulungise ngoba idlozi lingakuhlupha because of indaba yomsamo ukuthi uhambe wahamba wamosheka ngenxa yomsindo ekhaya so ichoose wena ukuthi nje wena cela uyongilungisela. Kube khona abantu bama abortion miscarriage uma kungagezwanga ekhaya ngoba idlozi it's a DNA spirit DNA that you can't run away from it. Nanoma ungathi praise the Lord kangakanani iDNA ingakho namhlanje everywhere la ukhona kuzothiwa unesilwane. Fast forward uma ulungisela idlozi liyakhona ukuya kuphi ethongweni. These 4 spiritual masters engikhuluma ngazo ngathi engithi you can run away from them sikhuluma baloku bayi4 idlozi linamabutho ayo ngoba once ungacela ulungisele lamanye yabona baningi abantu bakini abahamba ngendlela engafanelanga abanye abangazange ba-accomplish whatever ama duties abo la emhlabeni abanye njengoba ngichaza ukuthi bahamba ngendlela engafanele baza ezamabutho wagezisa oyi1 bazofuna ukuthi bagezele bonke uzohlezi uhlambulula abantu bakini and then mase idlozi nedlozi olincedayo ngetask ethize liyakhona ukuwela kuphi ethongweni. Uma liwela ethongweni usukulihlambululileke wena naye senichumene. Amathonga yes kukhona abamba imithi kukhona abamba amashoba kukhona nawo amabutho njengoba ngiexplain and then ibuye futhi iye kuphi engelosini. Kube khona abantu namhlanje abaphupha inkonzo abaphupha iBhayibheli abaphupha amanzi abaphupha iwasho you know so nabo amabutho thola ukuthi ugogo wayezihambela isonto wayewumuntu ozikhulekelayo nje ngaleso sikhathi uchamuka njengengelosi nazo ingelosi kuyafika la ukuthi mawuhlola uthola ugogo ubekhuleka yenzani kodwa usebumnyameni naye udinga inhlambululo in a way iyenza ukuthi sichumane nabo ngithi la emhlabeni we've got free will ehamba isingcolisa before you take your spiritual journey serious doing izinto ekufanele kuzenze like insebenzo noma certain task ye journey yakho ya spiritual world you must understand yourself ukuthi khona la usuka khona uke walala nomuntu ohambe wakungcolisa ubuthakathi blah 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 you understand so zonke zidinga ukuthi ube cleansed for you ukuthi manje uzokwazi ukuthi ube spiritually revived noma cleansed in a way so zamba kanjalo ungadideki uma ungalungisi eintweni zedlozi basikhuluma ngedlozi sikhuluma ngabakini uthola ikhaya li-cast la ikhaya akekho umuntu oyi-graduate sonke siphelela kubo 100 rand asiyi kubo 1000 rand it's a curse whereby it needs to be fixed amongst amabutho wamadlozi kukhona busisekile it's just that bazingcolisa bona ukhona umuntu owazalwa ngesibusiso sani sokuthi you will be a breadwinner so along your journey it's very important ukuthi leso spirit usivose it's a good spirit it's not a demon you can't ukuthi ubabu wakho noma umama wakho uhambela emhlabeni angazange abe nendlu nemoto and then you expect ukuthi akuphi imoto nelo kodwa mawungafunisisa kahle yes wayezoba nazo it's just that ubuthakathi bala emhlabeni phambe bavala konke lokho so that's why it's very important ukuthi singayofana nabo abokhoko nabogogo laba esibalungiselayo namhlanje because khona idlozi ozothi mawulungisela manje hayi kube into engazange naye abe nayo la so usuke wenzani uchubekisa lokhu la agcine khona talking of amathonga sikhuluma ngespirit naso esikhulu ukunedlozi ngoba mase sifika ethongweni idlozi maliselwele ngale ethongeni sikhuluma ngomuntu omkhulu manje o-instructayo kuyona ile ethi hey ungangeni la hawu sengimake-upile ngayiceda konke hawu manje iyona ithonga ilikupha the sixth sense yokuthi you need help now hambe uyoncedwa ke manje you need a spiritual healer you need a doctor to ukuthi ikupholise iflu there are times whereby ukuthi iflu ngizozilapha yona ngama-concoction natural remedies bese kube khona lesifuba amasiza uthi I need a doctor those are six senses ophiwa amathonga ophiwa uNkulunkulu now as spiritual healer me as me Onika I won't talk for others as a spiritual healer me Onika ngoba yes namhlanje ngisahlambulula amadlozi yet I'm a spiritual healer ngincedisa abantu ukuthi bahlambulule misamo yabo bazihlambulule kodwa beza njengoba ngisho it's a journey engapheli sohlezi sihlambulula abanye so as umme Onika ucela kuphi from kuNkulunkulu umme Onika makaqala uyibizile idlozi wabiza idlozi idemon kodwa ke because of bese sifikile isikhathi njengoba ngisho ngithi ungazikheji don't tell yourself ukuthi into zikamoya nezedlozi nezamathonga nezikaNkulunkulu uyazazi umuntu nomuntu akahlala esitulweni sakhe everyone we are in journey kamoya all of us these days indaba yokuthi uliphuzile waliphalaza it's not important believe me it's not important in a way yokuthi it's more of saying hey you are a vampire not in a bad way kodwa ivusa amanceba abantu abaningi baningi. 100% we are talking of 80% baliphuzele mahala, and there's money involved as well. Kodwa uma singayolalela uNkulunkulu ezumme onika, uNkulunkulu engimkhonzayo, ngoba angeke uNkulunkulu bafane. uNkulunkulu mina okwazi ukungibizela abakithi, angitshela ama secret abantu bakithi, aze angivezele bona emehlweni ami ngamaphupho, ngama visions, oyenza ukuthi ngingazi nokuthi ngibonele amadlozi abanye ukuthi adinga uncedo. Ngikhuluma ngalowo uNkulunkulu loyo. Wena sozomgeja ukuthi uNkulunkulu wedemoni noma uNkulunkulu wani. uNkulunkulu nguyena ongibizela bona, ngichazelwe ukuthi okay, let me see if I do have a Bible in my phone. Okay, let's check this one. Let's check this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Angithi join my membership channel. Uzokwazi ukuthi mawuthi uyakufonela ngitatazelele. All right, now uma sibheka uMatthew 5 verse 17, chapter 5 verse 17, Matthew Matthew New International Version iti, do not think that I as Lord, I have come to abolish the law or the prophets. I have not come to abolish them, but to fulfill them. That is New International Version. Kube khona New Living Translation iti, don't misunderstand why I, the Lord, have come. I did not come to abolish the law of Moses or the writings of the prophets. No, I came to accomplish their purposes. English translation, anyway, it says, nginguNkulunkulu angizanga ukuzochange any law. Angizange ngizochange ukuthi yekelana amasiko enu, yekelani imihambo yenu. Kodwa ke thina as Africans sayimosha. Sifuna ukuthi sibe abeSuthu sonke, sibe abeZulu sonke, sibe ama-vampire sonke, sibe yonke lento. Ubani oyokhuza omunye masidakwe sonke? Ubani oyokhuza omunye? Stop restricting yourself, and ibuye ihluphe uma unogobela. Ngiya off rampa manje ibuye ihluphe because uyoyenza konke okukhulunywa ukugobela, kanti ukugobela beka activator what is inside you. Kodwa ke uma uliphuze waliphalaza wazosibangela umsindo njengethini eli empty, uzoba iproblem. Because of what I understand, uma uliphuza uliphalaza, it's for your family, for umsamo wako, for you ukuthi uphile, not for me. But uma uzongitshela lonto leyo, then khona ukushaya amanzi. Ukuye ephehlweni, ingane zikamoya engizikhulisayo, uma kuzovela ilizwi lokuthi kwamele ungene ephehlweni, wazi ukuthi it's one of punishment abakupha zona. Sonke sicalwa yingelosi lokikuhlebela, lokukuphuphisa kodwa ube nenkani. Iphehla kusiyona into yokuthi ungazigabisa nokuphuza waliphalaza. Isuke ikufaka kuphi la uzolalela khona, usejele likamoya, usejele ledlozi, usejele lamathonga, usejele lakabani lakaNkulunkulu. Kuthi ngoba uma ku free will awuyahlanya uyasihlanyela. Ufuna wena ukusikhwazela ngoba udakiwe manje. Uhluleka ukukuyenza mawusoba lento leyo. So ngena lapha uyogijima ijariti lakagobela lokunuka, loku ukhwazi. So basically I was trying to explain kahle kahle ukuthi mawusuke uhamba uloku yenkonzweni uzitshela ukuthi ingelosi senkonzweni imisamo ingcolile imisindo ekhaya your home is not cleansed you will go yazi umoya ingcwele unjani uma singacula manje unama problems ungene enkonzweni unama problems hayi izongena ingoma uyithanda ikushaphakathi ifana ne drug i-present worship you ufila ngathi izulu selila nali lila la right at your face soon as kuthiwa amen offering isonto livaliwe siphe isonto seliphelile hamba ekhaya uzomthola man umalume man lokhu day and night uzoyithola uyobuyela enkingeni ngoba it's not cleansed uvephiswa you know what Emakhosini Thokozani Camagu Lesedi Kganya vumela umoya don't restrict yourself umoya oyingcwela uhlala eBhayibhelini is there to give directive inhlolo zezinyanga is there to give directive ukuhlola ukuphi directive ukuthi ukhulekela ngakuphi ulungisa ngakuphi Emakhosini Thokozani Camagu Lesedi Kganya ngiyakhuphukela amen hayibe Lesedi please don't forget to like and subscribe angithi